Hello friends, welcome to Rita Hub. Today we will discuss Ancient History Lecture 6 of our history question test. Okay, and today we will discuss about Jainism. Okay, basically. And first of all, we discuss the brief about Jainism. Later that, we will discuss question answer. Okay, so let's start. Jainism. Okay, in the follower of Jain. Okay, they are called as Jainism. Okay, like Buddhism, they rejects the authority of Vedas. Okay, it is a important point. Okay, they जैसे बुद्धिज्म भी वेदास को बिलीव नहीं करते हैं अथॉरिटी को, तो उसी तरह जैन जी भी अथॉरिटी ऑफ वेदास को रिजेक्ट करते थे. समझ में आया? Unlike Buddhism believes in the existence of soul, but Jainism believes in the existence of soul, but Buddhism did not believe that. Okay, and it is also a important point. Okay, they will ask like that. Like Buddhism rejects the authority of Vedas, Jainism rejects the authority of Vedas. Option one. And two. Unlike Buddhism, Jainism believes in existence of a soul. Which of the following is correct? One only, two only, one and two only, or both, neither one, not two. Okay, like that. So we know that the both options are correct. So you choose option C, 1 and 2. Okay, and next, the soul is core and fundamental focus of the Jain philosophy. Okay. Soul main function किसी में जैनिज्म में. Okay, fundamental focus, the core focus of Jain philosophy. Remember that. Okay, and there was total 24 Tirthankars. Okay, 24 Tirthankaras. The first one is Rishabhnath or Adinath, and the 23rd number is Parshabnath, and Mahavira is 24th, the last one. Okay, these three are very important. Okay, the founder, that is Rishabhnath or Adinath, and the last one is Mahavira, and the famous one is Parshabnath also. Okay, understand? Next, and others are Ajita, Sambhava, Abhinandana, Sumati, Padmaprabha, सुपरसभा, चंद्रप्रभा, सुविधि, शीतल, श्रेयांसनाथ, बसपूज्य, विमल, अनंत, धर्म, शांति, कुंठु, आरा, मल्ली, मुन्नी सुब्रत, नामी, नेमी. Okay, and Parshabnath, and the final one is Mahavira. Okay, and just highlighted the major Jaina pilgrims in our India. Dilwara temple, Palitana temple, Girnar, Sikharji, and Savan Pelagola. Okay, Savan Pelagola situated in Karnataka. Okay, Sikharji situated in Jharkhand, Girnar situated in Gujarat, Palitana temple situated in Gujarat, and the Dilwara temple situated in Mount Abu of Rajasthan. Okay, all of them are very important. Okay, next. The highlighted one is Bardhaman Mahavira. Okay, so let's talk about Bardhaman Mahavira. He was born in 540 BC. Okay, in Kundalgram in Vaisali. So his father name was King Siddhartha, belongs to Gantrika clan, and the mother was Queen Trisala, and he left home at the age of 30. On the day of 10th day of Visakha or Vaisakha, he reached the town of Pava near Patna, where he found the truth of life, that is called as Kevalya. Okay, the truth of life, otherwise called as Kevalya. Okay, the points Kundalgram, Vaisali, and Pava near Patna, and the Kevalya. It is a related point. You should remember that. Okay, and the place, that is Kundalgram, Pava, are important to Bardhaman Mahavira. They will ask like that, which of the following cities or name places are belongs to Bardhaman Mahavira. Okay, like that. So you should remind that. Okay, remember that. Titles given to Mahavira, that is Mahavira, Jaina, Jitendriya, Nirgranthra. Okay, both all are belongs to title of Mahavira, Bardhaman Mahavira. Okay, next about Jainism again. Ratnatraya, to achieve salvation through three jewels or the path of three paths, that is right belief, which is also called as Samyak Darshan, right knowledge, also Samyak Gyan, right conduct, Samyak Charit. Okay, and the five constant life or the five philosophy, that is ahimsa, non-violence, satya, truthfulness, asteya, not stealing, aparigraha, non-acquisition, brahmacharya, chaste living, that is added by Mahavir. Okay, brahmacharya means you should leave all of the your society or all of your surrounding. Okay, and follow the brahmacharya path. Okay, and which was added by Mahavira. Okay, also you can these five constant or ratnatraya you can put in our if the in main question they asked how Jainism is helpful in the present scenario, you can also put this. Okay, in that. Next, Jainism, there was two major school, Digambara, Sutambara. Okay, Digambara one was can't they don't wear clothes, means वो कभी क्लॉथ्स नहीं पहनते. ओके, दे बिलीव इन कंप्लीट न्यूडिटी. And female monks wear unstitched plain white saree. Okay, but female monks unstitched plain white saree पहनते हैं. Okay, which are called arikas. Okay, and they follow all the five constraints. Okay, of Jainism. Okay, just you have before tell before. Okay, Bhadrabahu is the main exponent of Digambara sect, and women can be Tirthankas according to Digambara school. So they called Mali was a man. Okay, but Swetambar called Mali was a woman. Okay, we'll go through it. Okay, and rules are more rigid than Swetambar. Okay, Digambara rules are more rigid, more strict. Okay, next Swetambar. Okay, they follow the preaching of Parsavanath basically. Okay, and believe in four strength and believe 23rd and 24th, that is the Parsavanath, and the 24th was Mahavira Jain. Okay, did marry, वो शादी किए हैं, unlike Digambar. That means Digambar did not believe that. Okay, and Stulabhav is the main exponent of first Sutambar school, and they wear simple white clothes. But in Digambara, they don't wear clothes. Okay, and Tirthangara can be male and female, but Digambar said the only men Tirthangara. Okay, so they didn't believe that. They believe Digambar believe Mali was a male, but Swetambar believes Mali was a female. Okay, you should remember some terms related to Jainism. It can be asked these terms are related to whom. Okay, Silas, Salekhanas, Mahavrata, Anavrata. Okay, Mahavrata are related to major bow, which uh, which followed by the monks. Okay, and the minor bow, that is Anavrata, followed by the people who followed the what Jainism. Okay, you should remember all this point. Okay, next. So let's start the question series. Okay, today's question, the first one: the originator of the Jain religion is Arya Sudharma Mahavira Swami Parsavnath Rishabdev. Okay, I have told you Rishabnath is the first one. So answer will be Rishabnath or Rishabdev. Okay. So option 2 will be correct answer. Next, where was Mahavira Swami born? Kundalgrama, Patliputra, Magadha, Vaisali. Okay. They belongs to Kundalgrama in Vaisali, what province or kingdom. Okay. So answer will be Kundalgram. The word Tirthankara related to whom? It is a very simple question because we know that Tirthankara belongs to Jainism. Okay, so that 24th Tirthankara. Okay, the founder was Adinath or Rishabnath. Okay, and the Parsavanath was 23rd, and the 24th was Mahavira Swami or Mahavira Jain. Okay, these three are very important. Okay, you should remember that. Who was the last one in order of a Jain Tirthankara? I am all told. Rishabnath, Rishabdev, Mahavira, Mani, Subrata. We know that. Okay, the answer will be option C, Mahavira. Next, which one of the following was not a Jain Tirthankara? इनमें से कौन जैन तीर्थंकर नहीं है? ओके, चंद्र प्रभु, नाथमुनि, नेमी, संभव. The answer will be what? Nathamuni. Because we know that Chandra are related to Jain Tirthankara. I have already told. Okay, Nemi Nami also belong to Jain Tirthankara, and Sambhav also belong to Jain Tirthankara. So answer will be Nathamuni. The correct of Annabrata was advocated by Mahayana Buddhism, Hinayana Buddhism, Jainism, and the Lokayata. I have told you the Annabrata Mahabharata belongs to Jainism. So answer will be option C, that is Jainism. Okay. The Jaina philosophy holds that the world is created and maintained by universal law, universal truth, universal faith, universal soul. They believed that the world is created and maintained by universal law. Okay, the option A will be correct answer. Next, which of the following statement is or are applicable to Jaina doctrine? The surest way of annihilating karma is to practice penance. Every object, even the smallest particle, has a soul. Karma is the bane of the soul and must be ended. Which of the following is correct? Only 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3. We know that they believe in karma. Okay, they also believe in soul, and the karma is the bane of the soul, must be ended. So all of the above are correct. So option D will be correct answer. Okay. Now match it with one or the two. Okay, one there is Tirthankars and two there is cognizance. In one Adinath, Malinath, Parsavnath, Sambhavnath. The cognizance are bull, horse, snake, water jar. Okay, just see the correct answer will be option A. Adinath belongs to water jar. Okay, and Malinath, sorry, Adinath belongs to the cognizance are bull. Okay, Adinath bull, Malinath was water jar, and the Parsavnath snake, and the Sambhavnath horse. Okay, you should remember all of them. Okay, basically Adinath and Parsavnath. Okay, in this period, in basically in Jainism, Adinath, Parsavnath, and Mahavira Jain is very important Tirthankars. Okay, in the exam point of view. Okay, next, the consider the following statement: the Ikpaku rulers of southern India were antagonistic towards Buddhism. The Pala ruler of eastern India were patrons of Buddhism. Which of the following is correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, both neither one nor two. Answer will be only two. The Pala ruler of eastern India were patron of Buddhism. Okay. So let's tell me the Ikbakul ruler of southern India were antagonistic towards whom? Okay, this will be question for you. Okay, Mahamastaka Abhisheka, Mahamastak Abhisheka, a great religious event, is associated with you and done for who of the following? Bahubali, Buddha, Mahaviraji, Nataraj. The answer will be Bahubali. Okay, Mahamastaki Viseka. Okay, Ajivika sect was founded by whom? Ananda, Rahul Bhadra, Mokali Gosala, Upali. Answer will be Mokali Gosala. Okay, option C will be correct answer. Who built Gomideswara statue at Sravana Belagola? Okay, Chand Chamundraya, Krishan one, Kumarpala, Tejpala. Okay, the answer will be Chamundraya. Okay, it is an important question. Okay, Gomiteswara statue. Okay, also use should always go through in if in current news there was a name of a temple or a name of a place, you should remember and should go through the ancient part of the this feature. Okay, because it will asked in your exam. Okay, whatever it may Monday or UPSC or OPSC, whatever or what state PCS. Okay, Yapania was the sect of Buddhist Jainism, Saivast, Vaishnavist. The answer will be Jainism. Okay, because we took Jainism part, so you will answer like that. You will you know that the answer will be Jainism. But if you asked in exam or a full test exam, you may confuse. Okay, so remember the Yapania sect belongs to Jainism. Okay, the in which one of the following languages was the earliest Jain literature compiled? अर्ध मगधी, पाली, प्रकृति, संस्कृति. कौन सी भाषा में earliest Jain literature compile हुआ था? आंसर विल बी अर्ध मगधी. ओके, which of the following is the earliest holy book of Jain? इनमें से earliest holy book जैन का किस में है? ओके, कौन सा है? ओके, 12 अंगस, 12 उपांगस, 14 पूर्वस, 14 upapurvas. Okay, the answer will be 14 purvas. Okay, and that's it for today. Okay, always be happy and stay happy. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, you can like it and share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Read a hope and follow me on Telegram for this PDF. Okay, I will say you once after video you will once go through the PDF to revise yourself. Okay, because MCQ solve is more important, very important in the prelims perspective of any exam. Okay, okay, the future I always said the future depends on what you do today, so always keep utilizing your today. Okay, so thank you, all the best, have a nice day, thank you.